weekend of the 11th and 12th of April 2026, the western end of the District Line was closed to enable testing of the new Hitachi Communications-Based Train Control System, or CBTC, as part of the Four Lines modernisation programme. This closure was for Signal Migration Area 10, between Barons Court and Stamford Brook, and Signal Migration Area 12, between Fulham Broadway and East Putney. 4 trains of S7 stock and 1 train of S8 stock were used for testing, alongside a pair of battery locomotives forming a 97-metre engineering train. This video follows those battery locomotives on Sunday, the 12th of April, as they undertake their tests. The train, identified as Train 640 and formed of battery locomotives L24 and L52, around 3 rail wagons, started its stay at West Kensington, where it had been secured the previous night at around 3 a.m. It was driven eastbound to Earl's Court, where it took the mainline shunt to the westbound line, before continuing slowly down to East Putney. At East Putney, the train passed out of the possession taken for CBTC testing and through the network rail boundary. From there, it continued southbound towards Wimbledon, passing the camera at the bridge at Gap Road. After arriving at Wimbledon, the crew took a lunch break, allowing me to travel up to Earl's Court to catch it again. After completing a shunt into Parsons Green 27 Road, the train eventually crawls through Earl's Court on eastbound Platform 2, headed back for the mainline shunt. Now we see the train reverse and shunt across the westbound line, pulling into Earl's Court, Platform 3.
Yeah, take a picture of us.
After a brief pause in the platform at Earl's Court, the train departs westbound in restricted manual mode, limiting the train to 5 miles an hour. This speed limit allows me to overtake to Barons Court, where we see the train a final time.
Customer safety information. For the safety of all customers, smoking is not allowed on any London Underground stations and trains, and that's including e-cigarette. Thank you.
Kensington, Olympia, Wimbledon, Richmond, and Earl. See station posters for more information, or speak to a member of staff to help manage it.
Due to a London Fire Brigade investigation, there are delays reported in both directions on the Piccadilly line.
After departing Barons Court, the train slowly continues in restricted manual to the end of Signal Migration Area 10 at Stamford Brook, then continuing to the Possession exit at Chiswick Park, and finally exiting and returning to Ruislip Depot, concluding its weekend of CBTC testing.